Do you want to save WhatsApp DP of any WhatsApp user? If you want to do so, for that just open your WhatsApp account and open the DP of that user that you want to save in your mobile gallery. Let's suppose I will open this photo, this DP. Now, for that, how I will save this to my mobile gallery? For that, just take screenshot of this photo. Let's so I will take screenshot, but you can see it's asking me could not capture screenshot. WhatsApp not allow anyone to take screenshot of anyone DP or profile picture. So what will you do? You will record a small video of that specific DP or WhatsApp. Let's so at that position I will record a video. That's why I will record a video and save a video in my mobile gallery. Now after recording video, I will go to my mobile gallery and just open this screen recording. You can see as I have recorded this video. Now I will open this video and will take screenshot from this video. Let's suppose at this position I will take screenshot. As I have taken screenshot, now I will edit this screenshot. So you can see now I will edit this screenshot, and in this way we can, so you can see I will just crop it and this DP will be saved in my mobile gallery. So now you can see this is the screen recording, this is a screenshot, and this is the get photo of that specific DP after editing. So for that, if you want someone DP to save in your mobile phone, first you have to record a video, then take screenshot from that video and then edit that screenshot by removing extra parts. And this way you can save anyone DP in your mobile phone.